What is the Eisenhower Matrix?
The Eisenhower Matrix, also known as Eisenhower's Box, is a simple tool for prioritizing tasks. Named after President Dwight D. Eisenhower, it helps you decide what's urgent, what's important, and how to best focus your time. This approach can bring clarity and reduce stress when faced with a busy schedule or overwhelming to-do list.
The 4 quadrants explained.
A matrix divides tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Each quadrant represents a different way to handle tasks. Understanding these distinctions helps you allocate your energy more effectively and avoid last-minute scrambles.
How to use the matrix daily.
Start by listing your tasks for the day. Place each task into one of the 4 quadrants based on its urgency and importance. Tackle urgent and important tasks first. Schedule important but not urgent activities to prevent future emergencies. Delegate urgent but less important tasks, and consider dropping those that are neither urgent nor important.
Benefits of using Eisenhower's Box.
Using the matrix regularly can improve productivity and decrease stress. You'll learn to identify high-impact tasks and avoid spending time on less critical activities. Over time, this method encourages more strategic thinking and better long-term planning, making it easier to stay on top of both work and personal commitments.
Tips for success and common mistakes.
For best results, review your matrix daily and adjust as priorities shift. Be honest about what's truly important rather than just urgent. Avoid filling your day with quick but low-value tasks. Remember, the goal is not just to get things done, but to get the right things done for lasting success.